Well, thanks for checking the video out. I'm going to be heading down Yarram-Morwell Road, which goes all the way down to Yarram. It's just off Grand Ridge over here. So yeah, again, pretty chill ride. Very scenic, especially once you start hitting the coast. Yeah, anyone can do it. Adventure bike, road bike. I just passed a bloke on a road bike before heading down to Traralgon on Grand Ridge, so it's all pretty doable. It can get a little bit wet down here, but again, you can putt through things pretty easily on any bike. All right, well, I'll get moving. Yarram-Morwell Road. Yep, so still a bit wet here. We've had some spring rain, and yeah, the Yarram-Morwell Road does get a little bit wet, so it's probably about as wet as it gets. Gets a little more mushy if the Plantation logging trucks have been through. Thought I'd quickly take the view in here. It's a beautiful view. You can see that they've raised it all down, the plantation people, and they've replanted it. So, I mean, it'll be about, I don't know, about 5-6 years before this view's gone. So, might as well record it while it's available and enjoy it as well. Yarram-Morwell Road has some amazing views. There'll be quite a few more coming up, especially as you head down towards, off the hills, down towards the flats. Some really great views. That's just one of them. This is Madalya, a few small farms on the road down to Yarram. Yeah, I'm not sure what the deal is with Madalya. It's not a town, no shops, no nothing. So down to the right here, that nice view, that's you go the way the crow flies, that's going towards Albert River, the Albert River Road. There are some tracks on the right hand side that lead there. Here's another nice view on the right. Also a series of tracks up here as well. Lead up the hill. Yep, so descending down the hill now towards Yarram. Some amazing views coming up. Just going to cruise down, take it all in. Things are flattening out a bit. Still some great views. I'll be coming up to the Yarram Quarry soon. Here's the Yarram Quarry. Everything's so lush and green at the moment. We've had a bit of rain and the grass is nice and green and springy. Once it gets to summer it'll turn brown. So I guess I'll enjoy the greenery while I can. Okay, so we are pretty much on the Bitumen end of Yarram-Morwell Road. Continues down for a bit towards Yarram, 13 k's to Yarram there. I'm going to end it here, simply because that was probably the most interesting part of the ride. This isn't just nice and flat, straight bitumen for the most part, not that interesting. Once again, thanks for watching the video. Please like the video if you like it, and subscribe to the channel.